Right, good morning everybody. So the last video you've seen, it was the green lane trip in Home Firth. I've already cleaned off the car of all the mud and what have you. But what I wanted to show you was these bumper corners. I've lost that one. Basically, they're not very good, these. They're only held on by these stupid clips, and every time you go over a heavy bump or something, they pop off. So I've lost this side on the lane somewhere, wherever it is, I don't know. I'm not going to go back for it. I'm going to have to get another one. So I've been messing about, doing a bit of bodging, and what I've come up with, instead of the clips, I've basically glued in some studs. Well, they're just plastic M8 screws basically, with some tiger seal. So what I'm going to try doing is, I'm just going to pop that in there a minute. There we go, like so. So I'm going to take this light cluster off, and hopefully I can get my hand down to put some screws on the end of them. And as you can see, this isn't a very good fit, because you push that side in, then it pops out there. If you push that side in, it pops out there, and there's supposed to be a fit in there, and it's nowhere near. So it's not very good if you ask me, but anyway, I'm probably just gonna have it like that and just have that bit sticking out a bit. So yeah, we'll take these screws out, pop this light cluster out, then we'll have a look. Right, so I've got the light cluster out, and I don't know if you can see down there or not. There, you can see the two studs poking out there. I should be able to get my hand down there and put a couple of these plastic wing nuts on. Let's give it a go. Right, plan B, those plastic studs broke off straight away, which was unusual, because that glue stuff is usually pretty good. Tiger seal it was, but anyway, so instead, M6 bolt with a lock nut on it, and then rubber washer to protect the paintwork. It might stand out a little bit proud because of the bolts on it, but it's better than nothing, I suppose. I'll see what it looks like. Okay, so missing corner bumper back on. That's just relieved me of £30 second hand. Obviously you've seen that one. This one didn't fit right. I had to re-drill the holes at the back of here, because it was just sitting too low. I couldn't get it to mount properly. But same again from that side. I've just put two studs in and then bolted it from the back of the tail light here. So that's nice and solid, so they shouldn't pop off. On to the next job. So we've had quite a bit of rain over the last 24 hours or so, and this is what I'm left with, and it's all wet in there as well. So I think what the problem is, this is a aftermarket door seal. I think it's Brit part, in fact I'm pretty sure it is. And you can see here, but it's just not doing its job. I even tried packing it out with some I think it was tiger seal or something similar to help seal it there. So it's obviously getting past that, going down, filling up there, but looking at the water in there, it's getting past here somewhere. It's probably somewhere around here. It's dripping down onto the mat and filling the footwell up, because that is all wet again. So I've been and bought some new bits. Stay on. So one genuine Land Rover door seal and some fish tank tubing later, we're going to get this sorted out. Now this side has been sound, no issues, it's all nice and dry. Yeah, that seems to be fine. So obviously this must be still a genuine one on this side because it's nice and soft, but then, yeah, there's a gap at the top there. I can feed some tubing down that side if need be. But anyway, so the plan is to feed some of this tubing down the seal to bulk it up, so that when you shut it, it doesn't compress as much and forms a better seal on the door. So we'll give that a go. Right, door seal. Genuine Land Rover, made in the UK, and this does front, right and rear. So aquarium tubing. What's it now? Yeah. Right, it's just a case of squirting it with some WD-40 inside and just feeding some of this tube through, basically. I can't remember what size it is. It's probably about 5mm, but it's quite spongy. So I'm just going to snip these ends off to tidy that up, and then whack it on, I suppose. Be interested to see the difference between a genuine Land Rover one. I think, feeling it's a lot softer than the Britpart one that's on there now. So right, we'll get the old one off. Right then, door seals. I haven't bothered filming putting it on because it's just a rubber door seal end of the day. It fits nice. It's a lot softer than the Britpart one, but you can see down here where the tube is going all the way around. It fits in a lot better up here as well compared to the other one. So when we close the door, when it gets to about here, you can feel it starting to spring back. So that feels a lot better now. It's been packed up with some more extra rubber inside the seal. So we'll just give it a good slam. Yeah, you can see it's fitting a lot better. So wait for the next downpour of rain and we'll see what it's like. But I suppose that's what you get for buying aftermarket door seals. I shall let you know in the future how it's been going on. Catch you in the next one.